Hi, this is Frank Morgigno from Applied Technologies of New York. We want to talk to you today about what goes on in the combustion process, how it affects the environment, and the technologies that are available to promote a healthier and more effective utilization of our energy resources. We're happy to have with us Mr. Alan Silver of Siemens Combustion to help answer some questions about controlling the emissions of commercial and industrial boiler systems. So what type of technologies are available to limit the emission of NOx?
Good question, Frank. There have been a number of methods that have been employed in the United States over the last several decades to help reduce NOx emissions. Okay, one of those methods is what we call flue gas recirculation. So flue gas recirculation is very simple, where we take combusted flue gas that's leaving the boiler through the stack and reintroduce it either by induced or forced recirculation back into the burner. Again, when you form NOx, thermal NOx specifically, if you can reduce the temperature of the flame, you can actually reduce the amount of NOx that's produced. So taking this hot gas, maybe 300-400 degrees, reintroducing it into an even hotter flame, increases the mass, reduces the actual temperature of the flame, thus reducing the NOx. So flue gas recirculation mechanically, in this way, either induced or forced, is done very easily. We also have burner design conditions where you can actually do flue gas recirculation internal to the combustion chamber, where the design of the burner will either create a staged gas or staged air condition where different zones of the burner itself will have internal flue gas recirculation themselves. So burner design can also be that way. There are some pretty unique designs that are out there right now. One of those being surface combustion. So surface combustion uses either a stainless steel or ceramic or combination type of burner with air and gas mixed in the center of this unit. So what happens is the heat release is spread among a large area of the burner, thus enabling the flame temperature to be a lot lower. Again, lowering the flame temperature, you actually lower the NOx production. Another method is controls upgrades. There are a lot of new control systems that are out there nowadays that allow you to get much better control of the fuel to air ratio in your burner, thus helping to minimize emissions and improve efficiency at the same time. If you can't do it via the burner or via the control system, a lot of folks, especially out in California right now, are using selective catalytic reduction or other methods to try and clean up the exhaust gases after the combustion process. Now this can be rather expensive and oftentimes rather maintenance intensive. So even though it works very well and enables you to use a very high efficiency boiler or burner in that application, the cost of doing something like this can sometimes be pretty extensive.
Thank you, Alan. For more information on low NOx technologies or any other boiler room related solution, please visit our website at www.atiofny.com. Thank you. Thanks so much, Alan.
Thanks, Frank. I appreciate your time. Look forward to seeing you guys again.
Absolutely.
Thanks a lot.